P, Treasurer Janab Shaukat Ali P, our beloved Principal Mrs. Sunita Nair, Vice Principal Bindu KM, and all other HMs, teachers, aunties, and all my dear friends. A very warm good morning to all. I am here Anvida Ranjit. The annual Kids Sports Meet Velox 2K25 plays a vital role of promoting overall development of kids. Sports filled with energy, excitement, and the spirit of healthy competition. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks. First and foremost, I express our heartfelt gratitude to Janab Shahji, Chairman of MES Campus School, for gracing this occasion with his presence and constant support. Thank you, sir. Our sincere thanks also goes to our Secretary, Professor Shahid PP, for his valuable encouragement. Thank you, sir. We are equally grateful to our Treasurer, Janab Shaukat Ali P, for being a part of today's program. Thank you, sir. A special word of appreciation to our beloved Principal Sunita ma'am and our Vice Principal Bindu ma'am and all other HMs whose guidance and motivation Velox 2K25. I would like to thank all teachers, aunties, and all others for their dedicated efforts in planning and organizing this meet. Finally, a big round of for our little athletes for their energy and sportsmanship. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, all of you.